rifles and grenades and all this shit, and some dude with a pump action 12 gauge just all of you. In the range of Jesus Christ himself. Now we know.
No, I'm swapping to the 4 gauge after this.
4 gauge is sweet too. I'm not sure how the range of it. The KSG kind of sucks, I'm not gonna lie. It's not as satisfying to use as the 8.7. But the 4 gauge is, you fucking blow arms, dicks, heads off, everything.
Fuck yeah.
I knew that guy was trying to light it. Push over in front of them, in all of
You ain't
them.
lying, Flechette is fucking ripping at him.
Fucking ridiculous. I mean, the range on it is... It's fucking... It's absolutely OP. Just come out the right by the car. Adam, I think it might be another guy hiding down behind.
Clear! Here come more!
This is gonna be my goal.
We need to all get out of that little bunker, I think. Yeah, we gotta stay on the point. I'm staying on point. Just lose it, and then you guys stay back, and I'll just try and stay alive.
Let him think like he's grabbing. Fuck, their own artillery's killing him.
Oh, fuck, I just ate it somehow. But yeah, the artillery's eating them up. We got 3 dudes coming past the car. Shit.
We are losing here! No, damn
Not my proudest moment.
Don't be stupid, man! Give up! Bastard! Oh, you're in the jungle now, baby! Get down on the ground! You're in trouble now, asshole! I'm coming for you!
Ah, don't make me laugh!
Get down on the ground! They're coming!
Over here!
On the ground now!
What?
Get it, try it, bitch!
Fuck you, motherfucker!
Yeah, keep talking, shitbag!
Tough guy, huh?
Sorry?
Fight me, you coward!
Fuck you!
Tough guy, huh?
Get it, try it, bitch!
Fight me, you coward!
I'm waiting!
Disintegrates. Good shit, my shotgun surgeon. God